Welcome to Super Top. Today we're diving into the world of home cleaning with two of the most popular vacuum cleaners from Kenmore, the Kenmore 200 series and the Kenmore 400 series bagged canister vacuums. Whether you're looking for reliable cleaning power or extra features to make life easier, we've got you covered. And don't forget, the links to snag the best prices for these vacuums are in the video description below. Let's get started. Similarities. Filtration system. Both models come equipped with powerful HEPA filtration systems designed to remove nearly all dust, pollen, and dander. Perfect for those with allergies or pets. Multi-surface cleaning. Seamlessly transition from carpet to hardwood, linoleum, or any combination with ease, thanks to their versatile multi-surface capabilities. Cord storage. Both vacuums feature automatic cord rewind, making storage a breeze and reducing the risk of tripping or tangling. Attachments. Each model includes 3 onboard attachments: a crevice tool, a dust upholstery brush, and a bare floor tool, offering flexibility for all your cleaning needs. Motor power. Both models are powered by a 12-amp motor, providing strong suction for efficient cleaning. Weight range. Both vacuums are in the 15 to 20 pounds weight range, making them portable but sturdy enough for heavy-duty tasks. If you're liking what you hear, remember the links to purchase these vacuums at the best prices are in the description below. Differences. Color. The Kenmore 200 series comes in a bright orange hue, while the Kenmore 400 series boasts a sleek red design, perfect for adding a pop of color to your cleaning routine. Cord length. The Kenmore 400 offers a slightly longer cord at 26 feet compared to the 200's 24 feet, giving you a little extra reach for larger spaces. Wand type. The 400 series includes a telescopic and extendable aluminum wand for easier reach, while the 200 series features a standard wand. Filter type. While both vacuums use effective filtration systems, the 400 series steps it up with a HEPA dust bag for enhanced allergen control. Weight. The Kenmore 200 weighs slightly more at 19.6 pounds, while the 400 is just a bit lighter at 19.4 pounds. Price. The Kenmore 400 typically comes in at a higher price point, but the added features could make it worth the investment depending on your needs. Remember, links to purchase both models at the best prices are waiting for you in the description below. So, which vacuum should you choose? If you're looking for a reliable, budget-friendly vacuum with powerful cleaning capabilities, the Kenmore 200 series is a fantastic choice. However, if you want a more premium experience with added reach and superior allergen control, the Kenmore 400 series is worth the upgrade. Both vacuums offer excellent performance, so it ultimately comes down to your specific cleaning needs and budget. Once again, links to purchase both vacuums at the best prices are in the description below. Thank you for tuning in to Super Top. Remember to like the video, leave a comment sharing which vacuum you'd choose, and activate the notification bell for more comparisons. See you at the next Super Top.